Every year, more than 700,000 workplace accidents happen. Behind these numbers are people, families, and entire operations at risk. Even with training and inspections, it's still hard to know which areas are more vulnerable. At Venturus, we created Precavision, a software that detects when someone isn't wearing their protective equipment. It works with artificial intelligence and advanced computer vision, making detection fast and accurate, ensuring that every incident is identified. This is how our specialists at Venturus uses technology to protect people and make operations safer worldwide. With Precavision, managers can guide training more effectively, identify risk areas, and strengthen a culture of safety. The software is simple to use. It runs on the same security cameras your site already has, indoors or outdoors. The dashboard is clean and intuitive, designed to make every detection easy to view and understand. You can filter results by date, time, or type of equipment, and every incident is saved with an image at the moment. This is the future of Venturus builds every day.